Okay, this is Wynn Palace, and this always has some kind of loud music, so we're going to try to talk over it a little bit. And this is the top part of it, and we're going to show you more in a minute. This might be our thumbnail, right? Maybe that one right there is our thumbnail, something like that. Good music and stuff, perfect.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so there's our casino, Wynn Palace. And the Wynn Palace is right connected to this train line, so you can get on this train line. But I'm going to be going down in a minute, so I'm going to push that button. And we got MGM on one side and Wynn Palace on the other. Then you can see some dragons, kind of a main road right here. This is where the light transit rail goes. Let me just see. Did I push that? I thought I did. Did it open already? There we go. So now we can get in here and go on down. So yeah, this is the Wynn Palace. Today I'm not going to go inside. I have been inside many times. It's always kind of the same when you look into it. There's kind of a red carpet. Really echoes, eh? So we're just going to walk around to the best parts, which is the outdoor fairy fountain area. So the best part of this casino is 100%, definitely, no doubt about it, the outside part. So the outside part is a real draw to this one. And this is part of it right here, this complimentary ride into the Wynn Palace. So you can go in by going here, which is kind of the way that it brings you in a very amazing way. The music is always kind of loud in this area. They really pump up that music. I think that's one of the attractions to pull people in, right? So you got that loud music, you come out of the station, you hear it, it draws you in. There's a spectacular sight from the light train rail. The light transit rail comes in from the ferry terminals and the airport on that side, and there's another bus one that comes in from the other side. So that can really draw people in to this city, to this casino. The music is always so loud though, dang. That's sometimes affects my videos, so we're gonna try to speak as loud as we can over top of it. And let's just kind of take a look at, I gotta speak loud to get over this music though. Might copyright it, so I'm just gonna keep talking. Sorry about the talking part, but gotta do that. So these little things, they come in real slow at this spot and they'll pick up speed and space each other out a little bit. So there's nobody here right now. It's Tuesday night. Tomorrow's a holiday, Mid-Autumn Festival. So sometimes the tourists can be really filled in this area. I think we got a lot of tourists all the way down this way though. But now you can see them coming in, so they'll come down this way. So here's one coming in right now. When this first started, it was, is anybody in there? Nope. Nice music though, I like it. We'll just keep on walking down. My apologies for speaking over this and ruining your music, but it's the only way to keep this from, a lot of tourists are coming all the way down here. Usually I don't see people all the way down this way all the time, so often. Okay, so that's a little touch of this particular casino. Walk down a little bit further. Yeah, so I basically try to talk over the music and tell you more about it a little bit. But basically this casino on the inside is really bright red carpet everywhere, and gambling takes up almost the whole bulk of the middle part, and there's some shopping around the peripheral part. And then right here is all the big draw, because this one has restaurants and other functions all the way right here, so that you can get a conference room or whatever you want and overlook this all the show that's constantly coming up all the time in the water. You got these giant dragons over there. And that music is just a little too loud for me, so I'm gonna try to move away from it a little bit. But yeah, that's the Wynn Palace right there. So we're gonna try to move over to across the street, take a look at it from a different angle, and also kind of give you a little context of how everything's put together. So let's go down this way right now. We've got the MGM casino right here. I have filmed in here a number of times. It's pretty beautiful when you look at it like that. The fact that I'm not going to go into that, I don't think I'm going to film it today. Buses will usually stop if you're a pedestrian, so I'm going to walk across real quick. So yeah, there's the MGM, part of the MGM right there too. And then right there is the City of Dreams and Morpheus. And there's Wynn Palace from behind. And then this is kind of give you a little context. So this is how Wynn Palace fits into other places. So there's the Venetian straight ahead. There's the MGM Lion right there. And the City of Dreams is all on that side. And then the Cotai Strip, the bulk of it is all the way down that way, mostly. So anyways, that's our Wynn Palace with our light rail train right there as well. Awakening Lion. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk back towards the Wynn Palace, get a final picture, end our Wynn Palace one, and then we're gonna do one for MGM, because that might be worth filming after all. So there's our Wynn Palace straight ahead. Here in Cotai in Macau. There you go.